This is the SuperWine ELXR token presale guide video where I'm gonna guide you through step by step how you can participate in the ELXR token presale. So here is what you will learn today. First, we will talk about how to set up a crypto wallet. The next is going to be how you can transfer funds from a centralized exchange to your own crypto wallet. And last but not least, how you can connect your wallet to the presale platform and how you can buy Elixir tokens. Let's jump right into it. So, step number one, setting up a wallet. So to participate in the Elixir presale, you will need a crypto wallet that supports Ethereum and Base networks. Our recommendation is MetaMask because of its popularity and ease of use, but you can also use Rebbe, Trust Wallet, or any other option you prefer that supports Ethereum and Base networks. Before we move on to the next step, I want to mention a common mistake that you should avoid. So you cannot buy into the presale directly from a centralized exchange, and your funds must first be transferred to your personal wallet because we won't be able to distribute your tokens after the presale ended and the launch is happening to a centralized exchange. We only can do that to your own wallet like MetaMask. First, you will need a Google Chrome and go to MetaMask website. Click on Get MetaMask button. It will take you to the Google Chrome App Store where you can download and install MetaMask as an extension. Once you've done that, you simply get to this page where you need to accept the terms of use, then create a password. Finally, the most important, saving your seed phrase, which is going to be the private key to your crypto wallet. Once you wrote down your seed phrase, your MetaMask is ready to use. Now, I want to show you real quick one more thing, how you can add the base network to your MetaMask wallet. Click on the top left corner where you can see a drop down menu. Once you opened it, you will see under the additional networks the base mainnet. Simply click on the add button and then approve it, and the base net was successfully added to your MetaMask. From this point on, anytime you want to switch between the Ethereum mainnet or the base mainnet, simply open the top left drop down menu and select the one you want to switch to. The next step is transferring funds. So to participate in the pre-sale, you will need USDC or Ethereum. We recommend using Binance to buy these because it supports direct withdrawals to the base network, which costs a lot less than transferring funds on the Ethereum main network. If you already have USDC or Ethereum in your crypto wallet on the base network or Ethereum mainnet, you can simply skip this step and proceed to the next one. If your USDC or Ethereum is on the mainnet, there is no need to bridge it to base because our presale contract supports ERC20 as well, so you can participate seamlessly from Ethereum mainnet, and bridging would cost at least the same or even more than simply buying into the presale on the Ethereum mainnet. Okay, now real quick, I want to show you guys an example how you can withdraw your Ethereum or USDC from a centralized exchange. In our example, it's going to be Binance. Go to the withdrawal option where you will see this page. First, you will need to select the token you want to send out to yourself. It's going to be USDC or Ethereum. Then you simply copy and paste your crypto wallet address here and then select network, which is going to be base. As you can see, it's quite cheap compared to the Ethereum mainnet. So we very encourage you, if you buying tokens from a centralized exchange and want to send it out to your wallet, make sure you use Base. That's going to be the most cost-effective option. Type in the amount you want to withdraw to your wallet and simply click on the withdraw button, approve it, and the transaction is going to be sent to your wallet. Finally, the last step, the most important one, joining the pre-sale. First, go to the official pre-sale page, presale.superwine.io. Make sure you only visit the official presale site to avoid any possible bad actors trying to take advantage of you. So once you are on the website, click on the connect wallet button, select your preferred wallet, for example, MetaMask, and connect it. Once you connected your wallet, then you will need to select whether you want to participate on Ethereum mainnet or Base, and choose your payment method from Ethereum or USDC. Type in the amount of ETH or USDC you wish to use for the purchase, and the system will show you how many Elixir tokens you will receive for that amount. Finally, click the buy button, then approve and sign the transaction in your wallet. Once completed, you are officially part of the SuperWine pre-sale. I hope this video was valuable for you guys and you understand step by step how to participate in the SuperWine Elixir token pre-sale. If you have any other question or problem, feel free to reach out to us on our official Twitter/X account, or in email, or in our Telegram group, whatever you prefer. Our team will be there, happy to help you.